So today's video is going to be on our experience at LSE during first year. So I've got some questions, I'm just going to whiz through them and just have a bit of a conversation so you guys can learn what it's like to be at LSE.
Hi, my name is Amira, I'm 18.
Amira, look at the camera please.
Sorry.
I'm Ayo, I'm 19.
I'm studying Language, Culture and Society at LSE.
I'm Angela, I'm 19 as well.
Hi, I'm Temi, I'm 19 and I'm studying law. I'm Sheila, 19.
Hi, I'm Sarah, I'm 18 and I'm studying international relations.
I take social anthropology.
Politics and international relations.
Also politics and economics.
Hi guys, I'm Demi, I'm 19 and I'm studying law.
I'm Aleesha, I'm 19 and I'm studying politics and economics. How did everyone find making friends?
I'm an extrovert, so I find meeting people easy. It was like trying to keep friends.
It's Breeze, what can I say? I just have that kind of personality. Everyone's love me.
You make plans like, yeah, we'll definitely need to see each other, and then 3 months go by and you know, you haven't seen
I literally
them.
did that yesterday.
You have to put yourself out there, otherwise you're gonna really struggle. The unis, like the Midlands and stuff, they've got like flat-based
Campus.
accommodations
Yeah.
and campus and stuff like that. And we don't have flats. So
Yeah.
essentially it's your floor, which could be, I mean, my floor only has 20 people, but I'm sure the bankside floors have got
Yeah, too many.
too many people.
At Bankside specifically, it was fairly easy to make friends. Me, I'm a very introverted person. Like, I really don't talk in
Do you
big
think
groups.
so? I don't know.
Well, usually I just attach myself to an extrovert. And, like, I just-
Demi, what about you?
What
Making
friend?
friends?
Demi,
Oh,
you
you're
should
just
have two
chill,
friends.
like-
Who's
Demi
my
has
friends
two
with Demi? Demi, if I call 5 people right now, do you know Demi? They'll all say yes. Yes.
What was it like for everyone when they moved in? What was it like moving in?
My parents were
Yeah.
very emotional, but I was like, listen, dry your tears. You'll see me in 2 months when I'm out, when I've run out of internet.
I moved in a day early because I was like, I'm gonna be very anxious. I'm gonna be moving in, having to do freshers stuff. I wanna move in, be settled, then do my freshers stuff. But when I moved in, there was no one here. I even texted the Bankside group chat like, is anybody here? Blah blah blah.
Wow.
And then
that's
like,
crazy.
and
I would've
then
done
that.
I literally had like 1,000 bags and I just saw people with like one little suitcase and my dad was so annoyed. He said, you're doing too much.
The first night, what I would admit is I actually didn't stay in my com the first night of uni.
Why did
I
you
stayed
say?
with me.
Oh,
I stayed in. They were rude to me. I was getting looks. So I went up to the one guy. I said, "Are you coming to exercise?" She's like, "Yeah." I said, "Oh."
my slot was at 2 and they did not have the room ready. So I had to sit in the basement with all of my stuff until 5 p.m.
No.
And then, yeah.
How was everyone's freshers week? Like what was the tea? Like what actually went down in freshers? Freshers week. What went down in freshers week? Angela, what went down in freshers
Are you too?
Like the basement was always packed and there would always be people doing nonsense there.
No,
So
the
that's how I
basement was
remember
actually
it.
filthy. The
Yeah.
basement was
Like people
disgusting.
actually falling over, like vomiting and
LSE had like these rag band events.
Oh yeah, she went to the...
I went to one, the hip hop party, never again, okay?
Oh, by the way, the rag band is basically like LSE's own sort of clubbing / freshers events. It didn't go that well from most of the people that I spoke to.
Everyone told me that the rag band was bad, so I was like, let me just stay at home then.
Yeah.
yeah.
Amira, what went down in freshers week?
Anyway,
Experiences?
next question.
Next question.
There was this like ACS event on the Friday.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, no,
A
freshers.
mosh pit at
Yeah,
a bowling
yeah.
alley.
I went for like a 3-day club thing during like Halloween weekend. I
Oh,
went like
what?
3 days in a
Oh,
row.
you did that?
Yeah, I went 3 days in a row.
Anyone who went to the street food festival also needs
Oh,
to be
how-
compensated.
oh.
Because it was in Camden Market, so I was thinking, ooh, they had Camden Market rented out for the night. No, it was a barn that had like 3 stalls in it. So we would just sat there with our forks like...
Oh, I went to Prism in
I had
Watford.
good
That
things.
was actually good.
She's been what?
Yeah, I don't know how I ended up there. I don't know how.
But you know like how you could buy like apparently like the wristband for like all clubbing type of events. Did you guys get it?
No, I don't know.
I just really
Oh, I know what you're talking about actually.
But I
Yeah,
can't
some
remember what
some
it's
clubbing warriors, they really bought that.
Yeah,
Okay, do you guys think that LSE is the London school of no social life?
No.
Like everyone else
It
says.
depends who
Exactly,
you are.
won't
It
it?
depends who you are.
But like you're in London, like how can you not have a social life?
Exactly.
Like if you isolate yourself, then you will not enjoy, you know,
Yeah.
LSE at all.
We have
I
a
don't
social
get it.
life of composure. and home training. That's how I believe it is. When I went to Notts, the things are insane.
No, I have a friend at Nottingham, and whenever he comes to visit me, he wishes that he was in London. Just because even like restaurants, Mayfair, there's a lot.
I think the main difference is that when you're at a campus uni, your social life is your university bubble, and like university becomes your whole life, whereas in London, as soon as you leave campus, you're just in London, and it's better to separate it, and you can kind of separate your social life and hanging out with your friends than from being at uni.
Wisdom.
Plus, like all the London unis, you know, make different friends. You don't just have LSE friends, you have UCL.
It's true. That's what I like about it.
Because we've all had a social life and we are all still banging our studies.
Amen.
They definitely join societies. I met most of my friends through ACS.
Have you guys ever felt out of place at LSE?
Time I step on the campus.
Of course.
Yeah, because I don't do econ or law or politics.
Oh yes.
I'm out here chilling.
Even in my last video, I was like, what I like about LSE is that everyone pretty much does economics and politics.
There's a grand total of like 5 courses here. Like,
I feel underdressed.
I feel poor sometimes as well, because people be like going on holiday and I'll be thinking, how am I going to pay rent? Stuff
Even in Bankside, like people wear their drippiest outfits just to go do the laundry. Louis Vuitton to do the laundry.
first of all, those drippy clothes are from Camden Market.
For real, they're all second hands.
You say that also.
But like some people will have like expensive items, but their whole look is not really nice.
Have you got any regrets from first year? What is everyone's biggest regret since first year?
I have one.
Yeah, I think I know what it is.
No, but I'll just make it vague if you're doing it.
Yeah.
Expose. But after Freshers Week passed, like maybe after the first like 2-3 weeks of uni, I just kind of like was chilling with one person and then like hanging out with that person anymore. It was just kind of like, yeah, what do I do now? Texting my friends like, hey, want to go to dinner?
What I regret the most is the people that I met.
Wow.
Yeah. Some of the people I met. And then I really regret not being more involved in ACS. I kind of spent a lot of my time with the wrong people. If you want to do a roommate,
Know them
Listen.
beforehand.
I think that the amount of prayer that my grandparents and my parents did for me wasn't enough to protect me from some of the stuff. So if you want to protect yourself, I would say probably don't do that. No, but I'm being honest.
What about you? Regrets.
No regrets.
No. Had the best.
This guy's loving life. He's always happy.
He didn't make more friends.
Never seen him proud in my life.
What do you guys think is the best accommodation at LSE?
I feel like Bankside has the best like facilities out of the main
that's true.
accoms.
Like the quality of rooms, Bankside.
No, Overness.
No, I mean LSE Accom.
Yeah,
Oh,
LSE
okay,
Accom.
LSE Accom, yeah.
LSE
Oh,
Accom.
probably Bankside.
Yeah.
Their rooms are
It's I think Bankside is the most popular, hands down.
Well, yeah,
I
I mean,
think Sydney's the best because it's just what I liked and stuff. Because I knew like a lot of the halls near central London would be like sharing a room.
I really like Rosebery because like you make your friends and fair enough,
it's
you've
not
got
as big
limited
as
pick.
well, so,
But like, sorry, is that rude?
Don't put anything in the fridge if you're at Bankside, bro.
Do you want to tell the story?
Oh my gosh, your kid just I had my birthday cake stolen, bro.
Yeah.
What do you guys think of LSE's campus?
Only one out of the like London unis that actually sort of feels like a campus. Like even though it's small, all of the buildings are in the same place.
But I like how it's in all in one location and all like bang in central London and like.
Because King's is like spread out all
Exactly.
over the world.
That place is not a university. That's a
Like, bro,
college.
one is in like Waterloo,
Like,
one is in.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of the library anymore. Like I tried, but I think Marshall Building, maybe
Marshall
that's what I'll
Building
be
is
at
so
because it's
nice.
actually really nice. But like the library, it's just like there's too many people.
I'm actually a campus rat and everyone
You
knows
are.
it.
Yeah.
4th floor in the library is just a social hub. Like think
Yeah,
of
it
the
is.
common
I love
room
it.
at 6th form. Very good.
But I like the library though. Do you know what I like about it?
What?
I always thought it looks appealing, but it's not practical, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Like the glass lift, and you just do your cheeky snap. The spiral staircase, everything looks nice.
Staircase in that library as well.
Oh,
At first you're thinking, ooh,
you should see the
it is-
memes. I'm just gonna drop the memes. Drop the memes.
The low
Aesthetic.
steps.
I can't even describe it. Basically,
You
when
need
you're
to take
walking,
like 2 or 3 steps.
You have to like
Yeah.
limit up the steps.
yeah, when you're walking, it's like this.
I really, honestly, I love LSE's campus, and I feel
so
like
pretty.
I
It's so
feel,
nice.
Yeah, it
So
is.
pretty.
And like, I feel like we get the best of both worlds to go into LSE because obviously we get like the campus living, but then we also get like the city life.
I think LSE's campus is probably the most aesthetic campus in the world.
Like the glow.
Yeah,
like the
Oxbridge.
glow. I actually have a secret study spot on campus, and it's so nice. Like,
She's just gonna gatekeep.
She's not trying to leave.
okay, what I'm gonna
She
say
doesn't wanna
is,
leave.
if you subscribe,
If you turn notifications on,
press the bell,
comment.
comment. I'll actually tell you.
10,000 likes.
I'll tell you, what is your best piece of advice for anyone that's watching this video that's coming to LSE? What is your best piece of advice for anyone coming to LSE?
So it's okay to be upset sometimes, you know.
That came from
mistake.
That came from my mom.
You're young.
Yeah. Just stay true to yourself, because one stereotype about LSE that is 100% accurate is the whole like finance bros thing. Like,
Yeah.
I didn't even know what a spring week was.
Yeah.
Bro, the
Like,
first
into this
week we're doing
uni.
fresh hours.
It's
Yeah.
crazy.
No, why
They
are you
don't
actually
stop.
at dinner? Somebody talking to you about crypto.
Wait, LinkedIn. LinkedIn.
No, to be fair, I'm
I
a
actually am that person.
I'm a
I
LinkedIn bandit. I'll say it with my chest.
Same, so am I.
Clogging up my
I'm part of that.
I'm trying to get to 500 plus connections.
I got that.
I'm getting there slowly but surely.
no, you see, you're part of the problem.
We are proud to be the problem.
Yeah.
Don't let your mental health deteriorate. I think there's like services, well-being services. I've not seen, but they are here.
I actually said this in my last video. I said LSE is not for everyone.
It's
It
not for
depends
everyone.
what
It's
you
not.
thrive
I
in.
don't know if it was for me, but
I love that environment about LSE. It's so
Do
funny.
you like it?
Yeah, he loves it.
I love the
I'm that
LSE
guy.
environment.
Yeah, he
as
is
well.
that guy.
You're competitive.
LinkedIn literally every day is peak.
What's the
You
word?
not use LinkedIn like it's Instagram, you know.
I do.
Yes.
I'm on it.
I
I'm on it at the same time.
like
now as
until
well.
like this, like
Just live in the moment. Don't set your expectations too high about what uni's gonna be like. It's not gonna be like Nella Rose advertising to be like,
exactly, yeah.
like you just need to
Not at LSE anyway.
no,
Not at
you just
LSE.
need to like be patient.
Either make sure you're really passionate about your subject and you're really, really interested in it, or B, you need what you're learning to make money. There's no other. If you're not in either one of those two brackets, you're not gonna get through LSE.
this boy. He's never missed a reading in his life.
Oh, I mean, I actually love my subject.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
so
we
good.
love law.
Yeah.
Thing is,
That's
I
so
feel like
good.
you have to really love it.
You're actually in London, like just go out and actually use it, because those people
yeah.
in the Midlands, what can they do? They can't do anything.
All this Midlands shit.
What can they do?
I'm here for a degree. This is
Please don't
university.
die for the ash.
LSE is not
Please, I'm begging
uni,
you.
it's university. So you're here to work, but you also need to have fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good. You should shout out your society that you made.
Oh, ABC.
Yeah, I think that was a sick idea.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
like we're still trying to get sponsors. Well, we're waiting to hear back from a few.
Yeah.
Guys,
but
what
they
can
have reached out.
I say? LSE students are innovators. My man made up a
Yeah,
whole new
you made a
society.
society.
Whole
Not
new-
I'm
just-
gonna make a
not just
society
me,
as well.
but yeah.
Tell us about your
Oh,
society.
you also made a society, didn't you?
Did you?
Oh,
yeah,
I
you
really,
brought back one to
I
life.
relaunched the society that's supposed to be like a more like casual film broadcasting. Hard to hear, you know, people get all of these stuff and it's like, oh, why not me, blah blah blah. But I feel like at the end of the day it sucks, but you need to like
It motivates you though.
yeah.
I can't lie, it motivates me.
yeah, I feel like you should just
just-
no, sorry.
I didn't motivate me. It stresses me out.
Yeah, it depends on
It
the
depends.
person.
It depends on the person.
Actually depends.
For
Like
me,
it's such a
It's so
competitive
toxic, yeah.
and
It is,
toxic
yeah.
atmosphere.
And I
some
feel
people
like
thrive in
because
it.
of that, like people know that if they don't pull up their socks, they'll fall behind everyone
yeah,
else.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's true.
Like shout out ACS community,
Yeah, shout
you know,
out.
because
Your warriors.
Did you?
yeah.
You made our experience better. I can't lie, if it wasn't for the ACS, my experience would be
Would
this would
have
be a
been
whole different video. Yeah.
I'd be like, I want to drop out more.
Yeah, in one of my videos I put in footage from the ACS ball, so check out if you guys might be. I had a dirty shot of you, but I was like, I'm not gonna fake it.
Another one. Don't die for open bus.
I just think help each other. Like there's
Nah,
there's no
that's not happening.
we help each
Yeah, we
other.
help each other.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've had a lot of help with
Yeah.
it.
It's because if we don't help each other, we're all gonna
Yeah.
sink. Like
I actually had a conversation with Manish, the actual like director of LSE, and she actually said that when she attended LSE, she actually split readings. So she's actually admitted that she did
When
that.
did you speak to her?
And don't worry about me.
Always got
like
things in the
never
works.
No. I had to like basically for my scholarship, I had like a dinner, like a formal dinner, and she was there, and I was like, start
Oh,
from her.
Did you tell her to pay the stuff?
No, Aleesha's trying to get paid first. Aleesha's trying to get her money first.
I'm not trying to rock the boat. I need to get on there. This honestly has been my favourite video to film. I can't lie. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. 75% of people are not subscribed.
Oh my god, subscribe right now.
I was subscribing for the first videos out.
What?
It's like
Blacking,
you want to see more content like this.
Literally, especially for all of you coming to LSE, because when I came, there was no YouTubers.
Like, comment, subscribe, share.
Hit the bell from over there.
Double tap.
We last kicked. And by the way, just got in town. And I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.